All right, guys, today's the day we're going to do the drawing for the 3D printed 572 big block Chevy with the Cross Ram Air. But before we get into that, I want to show y'all something here. Our son came in for the Easter Sunday, and he brought me his two license plates, Tennessee and Florida plate. That's pretty cool. I'll be hanging those up somewhere. Oh, and he also brought me in, I've already got them hung up, he brought me in these two plates. These are motorcycle license plates. First ones I've got. Florida plate, Tennessee plate. Pretty cool. I like them. All right, I want to show y'all something else. Did a little 3D printing yesterday because on the 55 Chevy Pro Sportsman that I'm building, that old Charlie Carpenter's drag car, I needed a coil, so I went ahead and printed out some coils, and I printed, while I was at it, I printed out some master cylinder and brake boosters. But those came out pretty good. I've already pulled the one off here where my thumb's at. That's the one I'm going to use. But they came out pretty good. All right, guys, let's get into the drawing over here. All right, here's the this is an online number picker that I found. I've used this before, guys. Here's our 26 entries. And you can see here, there's number 26 right there. So let's get into it. Now, guys, whoever the winner is for this first drawing, you won't be eligible for the next two drawings. That's just the way it is, guys. Sorry, man, but gotta let some other folks get in on the winnings. And whoever the winner is, if you look in the description of this video, my email's in there. So just shoot me an email and give me your mailing address, and I'll get this out as soon as possible. So let's get with it, fellas. Let's spin this bad boy. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. Looks like we got number 15. Let's see who number 15 is. Number 15, Jimmy's Chop Shop. Jimmy, I tell you what, buddy, congratulations. And if you'll shoot me an email and give me your mailing address, I'll get this out as soon as possible. All right, guys, I'm done.